Do you know Apple AI is now beats the ChatGPT 4. As we all know, Apple is known for its cutting edge technology, has unleashed its latest creation upon the world, RealM, an AI system so advanced. It's set to challenge the very limit of what we thought possible. The rumors are that Apple could use the upcoming Worldwide Developers Conference in June as the stage for its AI announcement. The company is expected to unveil a new large language model framework known as ChatGPT of Apple GPT and other AI powered features across iOS, macOS, and its whole ecosystem at WWDC. You are a professional. RealM short for Reference Aware Language Model. It's not just another AI, it's a game changer of years of research and innovation by Apple's top minds. This happened because of this Siri, as Apple users are frustrating interaction with the voice assistant. RealM's unrivaled comparison ability paved the way for seamless and natural conversation. But what sets RealM apart is its prowess in reference resolution by converting the complex task of identifying or increase entities into a language modeling problem. RealM achieves unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. Tim Cook said, "Today we are thrilled to introduce RealM, the next frontier in artificial intelligence. With its revolutionary capabilities, RealM will redefine how we interact with technology, making our lives easier and more intuitive than ever before." While Apple has not made any public announcement, it is quietly moving forward in artificial intelligence research, but its trail its rival in the race to dominate the fast-moving AI landscape. We are excited to share details of our ongoing work in AI later this year. CEO Tim Cook hinted on a recent earning call. From Siri to Mac OS, RealM's influence will be felt across the entire Apple ecosystem. Use hearing in a new era of AI powered innovation. Here, where the boundaries of imagination meet the possibilities of technology, welcome the future powered by Apple.